Sairam Class 4, welcome to your EVS class. We will begin today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. So, join your hands, close your eyes, and get ready for the Omkaram. Om. Sairam. So far we have discussed about the journey of train in Oman's journey. We have discussed about outdoor games in Hututu, and now we are discussing about the flowers. So every chapter is tempting you to go out, but don't do like this. Stay safe and stay at home. Until and unless you are at home, then only you will be safe. So don't force your mother or father to take you outside. See children, few questions we will discuss today, and I will discuss slowly so that you can write in your copy after playing again and again. Okay, see.
This video on Workbook Solutions for Class 4th EVS Chapter 11 The Valley of Flowers is brought to you by Minttalk India. Let's see our questions. Question
Number first question of the value class is select the best option. Dash is prepared from flowers. What is this? Itra, A. B. Rose water. C. Kevra waters. D. All of these. What is that? Correct answer is all of these. Madhubani is a place famous for its painting. We have learned Madhubani, a place, a district in the Bihar. A place famous for preparing perfume. Is it like that? Preparing for perfumes? No, no, no. C. A place famous for its perfume. No, that is also not correct. डी नन ऑफ दिस, नन ऑफ दिस मीन्स इनमें से कोई नहीं, तो ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज फेमस फॉर पेंटिंग. ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इन यूपी, सी द थर्ड वन, vegetables for eating are made out of dash flowers. A sahjan, B kachnar, C banana, D rose. Which is correct? Correct, kachnar. Fourth, in the valley of flowers, the flowers bloom in the valley of flower, which is the name of the chapter also. ऑल राउंड द ईयर, सारे साल भर खिलते रहते हैं फूल. बी ओनली इन समर, सिर्फ समर में खिलते हैं. फॉर अ फ्यू वीक्स इन द ईयर, कुछ हफ्तों के लिए साल में खुलते हैं. डी इन स्प्रिंग, सो फॉर अ फ्यू वीक्स इन द ईयर. ओके. प्लकिंग अ फ्लावर मीन्स picking it up from the ground. फूल तोड़ने का मतलब है कि उसको ग्राउंड से उठाना. ब्रेकिंग इट फ्रॉम अ प्लांट, उसको प्लांट से ब्रेक करना. रिमूविंग इट फ्रॉम अ बुके, बुके से अलग करना. या ऑल ऑफ दीज, इनमें से सारे. तो इनमें करेक्ट क्या है? ब्रेकिंग इट फ्रॉम अ प्लांट. सी.
number 1. Select the best option. Number 1. Dash is prepared from flowers. Ittar, Kevra water, rose water, all of these are prepared from flowers. Number 2. Madhubani is a place famous for its painting. Number 3. In Uttar Pradesh, vegetables for eating are made out of kachnar flowers. Number 4. In the valley of flowers, the flowers bloom for a few weeks in the year. Number 5. Plucking a flower means breaking it from a plant. Question number 2. Write true or
Question number 2, write T for true and F for false statements. See, I am reading all the statements. Then I will see you the saw the answers. The Valley of Flowers is in the plains of Uttarakhand state. Is it in the plains? Plains यानी मैदान, मैदानों में है कि Valley of Flower? It is in the hills. So Uttarakhand is the correct answer, but not in the plains. It is in the hills. So this is false. Flowers grow from fruits also. No, no, no. From the flowers, the fruit grows. From the fruit, we get the seeds. Seeds get germinated into the plant. Plant become the tree. Then they bear the flowers, and flowers turn into the fruits. So that is also false. Flowers are used for making medicine. We have learned about that. Yes, true. Color made from the marigold flowers cannot be used to dye cloth. Is it like that? It can be used to dye cloth. True. False, false. Fourth one is false. Fifth, paintings can be made from paste of powdered rice that we have learned during the Madhubani painting. It can be used from the powdered rice. So note down in your copy. I'm giving you time. I'm showing you the answers also.
Or false? Number 1. The Valley of Flowers is in the plains of Uttarakhand state? No. False. It is in the hills of Uttarakhand. Number 2. Flowers grow from fruits also? False. False. Because fruit grows from flowers. Number 3. Flowers are used for making medicines? Yes, that is true. Number 4. Color made from the marigold flower cannot be used to dye cloth? No, that is false. It can be used. And number 5, paintings can be made from paste of powdered rice. Yes, that is true. Question.
The question number 3. First, I will read the questions and I will show this clipping for you for some time so that you can note down in your copy. Okay, see, we can see flowers growing on trees, branches, ground, bushes. Some flowers bloom only in the daytime and close at night. In Kerala, people eat vegetables made from banana flowers. Songs are sung on flowers during weddings and festivals. A design of flowers made on clothes is called a Madhubani design. Dash district in UP is famous for Ittar, Kannauj. See, I'm showing you the answer.
To fill in the blanks, we can see flowers growing on trees, water, ground, and bushes. Number 2, some flowers bloom only in the day and closes at night. Number 3, in Kerala, people eat vegetables made from banana flowers. Number 4, songs are sung on flowers during weddings and festivals. Number 5, a design of flowers made on cloths is called a Madhubani design. Number 6, Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh is famous for Ittar.
See, children, again I am reading true and false and fill in the blanks so that you can note down in your copy. Okay, true or false? The Valley of Flowers is in the plains of Uttarakhand state. It is in the hills of Uttarakhand state. False. Flowers grow from fruits also. False. Fruits grow into flowers. Fruits grows from the flowers. Flowers are used for making medicines. True. Color made from the marigold flower cannot be used to dye clothes. False. It can be used. Paintings can be made from paste of powdered rice. True. As we have learned in the Madhubani painting. See, fill in the blanks. We can see flowers growing on trees, water, ground, and bushes. Wrote it down. Some flowers bloom in the day and close at night. Third one, in Kerala, people eat vegetables made from banana flowers. Songs are sung on flowers during weddings and festivals. A design of flowers made on clothes is called a Madhubani design. Kannauj district in UP is famous for Itr. I think this much written work is sufficient for you people for today, and tomorrow we will discuss some new questions. Okay, thank you and Sai Ram. Get ready for the Shanti part. Oh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. तो स्टॉप कहाँ से करेंगे? स्टॉप नहीं कर पाए।